This is 316 Furnace, apartment 10, doing a move out. The living room, trash needs to be removed. Flooring needs to be cleaned. Complete paint job in here. Varnish all the trim. Clean the windows. You have the kitchen. Trash needs to be removed. Light bulbs burned out. Floor needs cleaned. Refrigerator needs cleaned inside and out. Countertops need cleaned of trash and wiped down. Sink needs cleaned. Oven and stove needs cleaned, needs new drip pans. Move the curtains and curtain brackets from the windows. Cabinets need to be cleaned inside and out. They were left sticky and greasy. We need a complete paint job in the kitchen. Smoke alarm removed out of the kitchen, put into the living room. The hallway. Floor needs cleaned. Complete paint job. Fix the drywall damage. Varnish the doors. You have the bedroom. Trash needs to be removed. Floors just need to be cleaned. Complete paint job. Fix the drywall damage. Varnish all the trim in here. Fix the drywall damage on the ceiling. Yeah, the bathroom, remove the trash, clean the floors. The tub needs to be recaulked and cleaned really good. Fix the drywall damage on the walls. You got peeling paint. Varnish the trim. Sink needs a good cleaning. Vanity doors need to be wiped down. Toilet needs cleaned. This is 316 Furnace, apartment 10.